VP of Asia for Newtec. How important is the region to the company?
Yeah, it's an important region. In particular, it's a region for Newtec which is growing significantly. And Newtec has been always in the region here. And what we see is growth in the broadcast, more satellites coming up, more TV channels coming up. So all these need our Newtec modulators. So we have also a strong momentum in the IP trunking, where they use our latest modems for high speed. And then we have now a new product we want to enter in Asia on the satellite broadband solution. And so all these segments are important for us. And so
Newtec have been at the forefront of DVB-S2 extensions. How important are those, and what are they going to do for your customers in Asia?
Yeah, so in fact, as you know, one of our mission in Newtec is shaping the future of satellite communication. In fact, it's true, we are working closely with DVB standardization to improve the throughput, the bits per hertz, and the DVB-S2 extension is just the right time to bring improvements up to 37%. Let me say something. I was on a CASPA event on last Monday, and they all talk about how to decrease the cost in launcher, how to make it more efficient on the satellite. But what I can share with you is we, the technology provider, we have quite a lot of new technologies supporting a significant improvement in, let's say, reducing the cost or increasing the throughput. And DVB-S2 extension is one of the new major standardization trend, and I hope the industry will acknowledge it and we get it done.
Do you see any obstacles to customers embracing this standard?
I think it's a lot about education. So there's still quite a lot of job to be done to share really what are the benefits, how they can benefit. And so, for example, today here in communication, we have a specific focus on the DVB-S2 extension. So we have a panel session today where we answer a lot of questions, and we expect a lot of audience. And the panel is supported by DVB, obviously, but also by companies like Intelsat, SES, Speedcast from the region here. They all are supporting.
Asia's still quite a fragmented market. Are you seeing any unusual trends appearing because of this?
What I can say is, yes, it's true. Asia is a fragmented market. It's huge, by the way. So we start from Korea down to New Zealand, right? So it's a large territory, quite diversified, and the requirements are also not the same. So when we talk today in Japan, in South Korea, they talk a lot about 4K already, right? So as you know, Skyfall, the James Bond movie, has been already made in 4K. Now we will see the World Cup 2014 in 4K. So there are players already preparing themselves for 4K. I'm very happy they use for testing my modulators, the Newtec modulators. When you see, let's say, more Southeast Asia, there's more about moving now to HD. So we see a strong trend in HD. More channels coming up in HD, but also still in SD when you speak about Indonesia. But like Malaysia, they move HD. As well as from the broadband, satellite broadband. What I can share with you is, particularly in Southeast Asia, there's still a number of spots They don't have any cable, any mobile, nothing. So this is a very strong value proposition where we can go with a simple solution on we call it triple play, but in fact it's a broadband solution.
So going forward, what are the particular challenges you see as a company, or the satellite sector as a whole?
The particular challenge is, I think we talk about DVB-S2 extension, but we also can talk about the KU band, KA band. I think this is always coming up here in the region. We have the rain fade, and the first reaction is this will not work, but I can remind the people when we move from C to KU, they also said it's challenging, but we will see more and more satellite operator to put on the satellite KA transponders. And my feeling is in 2015, let's say in 2016, in 2 to 3 years, we will talk more about these frequency bands in the region.
Mario, thank you very much.
Richard, thank you very much.